No, because I use the Buddha teaching. So I want to express about my speech today here, because first of all, we have to know the human birth is the range of the valuable. So we have to understand it, why we are the human being, why we are born. So because the only human can one of the fully practice Dhamma and the gains of the wisdom and reach to enlightenment. Like the Buddha, he goes to the find the Parinibbana and the enlightenment, and he got it, he did it. So AI is the, as he said, AI is, can do everything. But I want to say, AI is only a tool. That is intelligent, even the first mimicry for the human being, and like speech and delusions. So, but AI is just lack of the delusion and intentions. But human beings have an intention, and the chitta, and the karma, and the moral responsibility, capability, or awareness, which are the certain valuable and development. And I want to highlight some of the space about the human being. Like human can capable to the enlightenment. AI can? No. Has the karma and the moral ability. AI can? No. Has a desire. Human has a desire and suffering and liberation. AI can? No. Human can accumulate and merit wisdom, but AI can? No. So this is the be a lamb, the Buddha talks. What Buddha talks? Be a lamb into yourself. Work out your own service with diligence. And I want to say, AI cannot work a full part of noble full part, because he don't have a sense. He don't have a thing, have the power of the thinking like a mind, but human can. So I just want to thought about the perspective of the human must be thought of innovators or ego, must be a thought of the compassion and leaders. So AI can exist as only a never repressed spiritual observing. Thank you to all of you.